In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail read receipts in Google Workspace. Read receipts help your users know if an email has been opened, which can be especially useful for internal announcements or time-sensitive messages. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account that can manage Gmail settings for your organization. Start by opening the Google Admin Console. From the home page, look for the section that manages apps and services and select apps. This takes you to a list of products available in your workspace. Choose Google Workspace to open the suite of core apps, then select Gmail to access settings specific to email. Inside Gmail settings, go to User Settings. This area controls features that affect how Gmail behaves for your users. Scroll until you find the Email Read Receipts section. Here you'll see options that determine when your users can send and receive read receipts. You'll notice two main choices. One option allows email read receipts to be sent to all addresses within your organization and also to any external addresses you've specifically allowed listed. This is a more controlled approach, handy if you want to limit external read receipts to trusted partners. The other option allows email read receipts to be sent to any email address. That setting is the most flexible, enabling your users to request read receipts from both internal and external recipients without adding domains to a list. For this tutorial, select the option to allow email read receipts to be sent to any email address. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Give it a moment for the change to propagate. It can take a few minutes and in some cases longer for all users. A quick note on how this works for end users. After you enable this policy, users can choose Request Read Receipt when composing an email in Gmail. Whether a receipt is actually returned can depend on the recipient's email service and their individual settings. Some recipients may be prompted to confirm sending a receipt, and they can decline. So, read receipts are helpful signals but not guarantees. Keep in mind any privacy or compliance requirements in your organization, especially if you allow receipts to external addresses. Communicate the change to your team so they know how to request receipts and when it's appropriate to use them. That's it. You opened the admin console, navigated through apps to Gmail, adjusted email read receipts, chose to allow receipts to any address, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to manage Gmail read receipts in Google Workspace.